It's coming fast, extremely fast forward movement in a form of reward. It's unexpected. It's huge. I keep feeling and hearing and seeing 777. Massive luck. Thank you, Archangel Michael. Sirens. Might be significance. That's the truth for some of you. It's quick. It's like emergency is here. It's here. Ready or not, it's here. I do believe you're ready for it, but I keep unexpected. It's unexpected. You've been having a plan. You've been working on a plan, and God, the Most High, saw everything. And I'm hearing that God's plan is even hotter, more beautiful, more exciting than your plan. So I do believe you have big dreams. I do believe you're working hard and you're so disciplined for your dream. But God, oh my God, I feel it in my heart space. You've been so obedient that God is going to surprise you in the best way possible. And I'm so happy for you. I'm praying from the deep bottom of my heart space for you to receive this message, to feel the joy and the excitement. This is now the final crumbling of the debris regarding your ego, because God's surprise is so immense that it will require your total trust. Who say no voy ser you? So my okay, so okay, oh my so oh my God. I'm back from my happy place. Thank you, Bird, for the confirmation. This is my most activating place. I feel so empowered with divine light. These codes are going to activate your throat chakra. And ultimately, it's connected to what I was receiving. It's like embodying fully who you truly are. Grounding yourself, praising the new self I'm hearing now, and I'm feeling the new moon, next new moon. You're going to be this new person being capable of receiving what's God. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone. The activation is huge, guys. Like yesterday's card you were tapping into. Thank you so much for all of your support and for on the screen. Trust the process. Even me, I'm like, God, what is going on? It's so intense. It's so big. It's so massive. And it's like now, for some reason, it's like let's get ready for what's coming, because timing is perfect. The revolution is here. We're ready. It's big. And I'm excited. I'm like a child right now. The child that's been, I guess, suppressed, I'm hearing. So for some of you, you've been suppressed your entire life and you kind of didn't know the purpose of your life. You've been just rejected, abandoned, having to deal with all the wounds and ending like, what the F is this life about? And everything now is going to just open and you're going to be like, oh, okay, I understand my path better. So it's really God's mastery happening now. Come back, happiness. I'm really seeing this puzzle, gigantic puzzle. And for some of you, you will be happy. Oh, this is deep. This is deep. You will be happy that you experience some shit, some like not good energy in your life. Just because now you're going to be able to appreciate everything. It's like the highest degree of gratitude I ever tapped into. Like this happiness work. You've been working so hard, never knowing what could happen, but you have this drive, and truth. You have this drive, and now it's all coming together. And again, oh my God, you will receive a news from someone. Maybe from your family, from someone from your past, maybe this person, maybe this karmic we were talking about. But it's like now you're almost out of here, you see. There is happiness with a divine masculine, reverse. It could be a divine feminine. There is someone that will try, I think, to reconnect with you, but you're just like so out of it. You're just like cannot. You just know now you cannot go back to the past. It's really coming back. You're going to receive a news, but I think you're going to be way too focused on love. My God. Or maybe someone is going to try to separate the love. This karmic, because they're jealous of your union. They want to bring difficulty in your life. You're so protected. Money is coming after 99 on the timer. This is end of cycle. I'm telling you, someone sees you from afar and they just feel, I guess, you're cutting the cords, you're doing something, and yeah, you're out of difficulty, guys. This is, maybe you're planning holidays and this is everything I wish for you, because they've betrayed you. They're out of the board now. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. Thank you for being so many, like, trusting the process of my medicine. I love you so much, you guys. Something big is here. So thank you for trusting. I love you so much. Sending so much light your way. And until next time, namaste.